Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the topic Chapter 1 The Fun They Had. It is taken from class 9th English Literature Beehive. And this lesson is based on the schools of future, and that is compares with the real school that we are right now. And I hope because of lockdown we will understand this lesson very nicely, because this lesson is based on imagination. 150 साल बाद स्कूल कैसा होगा उसको हम आज रियलाइज़ कर पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर एट होम. वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल. वी डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप राइट नाउ. We are not sitting together, we are not learning together, we are not playing together right now. Still we are studying something, and we are studying with the help of the scene that is given here. Right now we are studying with the help of either mobile phones or smartphones or computers. In the same manner, if we talk about schools of the future, ये जो कहानी लिखी गई है 150 साल बाद की लिखी गई है. 2157 जो ईयर है उस समय लिखी गई है. उस समय को मानकर, उस समय को इमेजिन करके लिखा गया है कि उस समय कैसा स्कूल होगा, और जिसको हम आज रियलाइज़ कर पा रहे हैं कि इस तरह से हो सकता है. राइट, एट दैट टाइम इट माइट बी लर्निंग थ्रू कंप्यूटर्स, जैसा कि आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल से. इट माइट बी वर्चुअल क्लासरूम, इट माइट बी रोबोटिक टीचर, और इट माइट बी मूविंग ई टेक्स्ट. उस स्कूल को और आज के स्कूल से अगर हम कंपेयर करें तो क्या डिफरेंस आता है? क्या स्कूल्स ऑफ फ्यूचर हमें अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज के स्कूल अच्छा लग रहा है? डेफिनेटली आप इस लेसन के एंड में हम समझ पाएंगे. वैसे आप समझ तो चुके हैं, बिकॉज वी आर फेसिंग दैट सिचुएशन दैट इज़ रिटन इन दिस लेसन. सो स्टोरी बिगिंस विथ मार्गी, and she is around 11 years of age, and she wrote about a diary that Tommy found from somewhere. She was writing in her diary. The date is 17th May 2157, and she was thinking about that old books. She was thinking about that her grandfather's Margie's grandfather, when his grandfather was a little boy. At that time, he used to read all the stories on printed paper. Now they were talking about the old books that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow, and they had been crushed as it was very old. आप एक अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि 150 साल पुरानी बुक अभी मिली है तो बुक की हालत कैसी होगी. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online. So in the e-books, how it happens? The text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on paper. आप एक इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि क्या हो रहे होंगे, उन्हें क्या दिख रहा है. राइट नाउ एट दैट टाइम मार्गी वॉज स्टडिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, एंड ऑन द स्क्रीन रहता है एज इट इज़ रहता है. इट इज़ स्टिल नॉट मूविंग. उस पर जो टेक्स्ट होता है दैट इज़ मूविंग. और जो बुक उन्हें मिली, उस बुक में क्या है? उस बुक में पेज को टर्न करना पड़ रहा है. उस दैट दे हैव टू फ्लिप द पेजेस, और जब पेज को फ्लिप करते हैं, टर्न करते हैं, तो उसके साथ में जो टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है वो भी चला जाता है. ये देख के बड़ा आश्चर्य करती है वो. टॉमी कहता है टॉमी को ये बुक पसंद नहीं. टॉमी कहता व्हाट ए वेस्ट. टॉमी डिसलाइक्ड द प्रिंटेड बुक. He said that it was a waste because he felt that after completing the book he had ही हैड टू थ्रो। हम ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, और ऐसे ही करते आ रहे हैं। एट्थ क्लास की बुक आपने पढ़ी, उसको पढ़ने के बाद आपने इसको फेंक दिया। ऐसा वो गेस कर रहा था। बट वी डू नॉट थ्रो दैट स्क्रीन ऑन which different texts are moving. Tommy is also realizing that he was also realizing that he would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. उस कंप्यूटर को हम नहीं फेंकते हैं, और उस कंप्यूटर में बहुत सारे स्टोरी होते हैं, बहुत सारे मिलियंस ऑफ बुक्स होते हैं, और शायद उससे भी ज़्यादा रहता होगा. नाउ द मार्गी एग्रीड with his opinion. Since Margie was 11 years of age and Tommy was 13 years of age, Tommy had read more books than Margie. Now Margie asked that from where did he find that book, and in that book what is written about. Tommy said that he got that book from his house in the attic, and in that book it is written about the school. Since Margie, she hates school, so she asked that what a book, and what a book may write about the school. If I talk about the Margie's school, what was the Margie's school? Margie's school is a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches her, and not that school where she goes. Now why did Margie hate school? Margie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. So in the future we are thinking that the schools may be virtual classrooms. There may be machines that may teach the children. Margie hated this machine. Margie hated this machine because the mechanical teachers was taking her test of geography again and again, and she was not performing well in that test. By watching this, her mother realized that there is something wrong with her daughter. She called county inspector to check it. Who was county inspector? Actually, county inspector was a round little man with red face, and he was having a box of tools containing dials and wires. When he came, he smiled at Margie after saying, and gave her an apple to eat. Then that county machine took the computer aside to repair it. While Margie was thinking that, and she was hoping that county inspector would not know to put together again, वो दोबारा इसको सही से assemble नहीं कर पाए, ऐसा वो आशा कर रही थी. But not happened like that. County inspector assembled, repaired and assembled within an hour, and now it was ready. It was ready. He repaired that computer, which was large, black and ugly, with a big screen. And on that screens, different types of lessons, different types of questions were asked and shown on that screen. She did not like that part. Margie hated that part because Margie had to put homework and test papers on that screen, and she had to insert that test papers or homework in the form of punch code, as she had learned when she was 6 years old. And in a few time, mechanical teacher calculated the marks and show. Now the inspector again smiled at her after finishing her job and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother that it was not the fault of that little girl, it was the fault of computer. In that computer, the geography sector was set according to high level, and therefore she would not perform well, but she performed was satisfactory. Now he had that county inspector had set the level according to the age of 10 years. Again he batted Margie's head. Margie was disappointed because she did not want to learn. She did not want to study from this machine, and she wanted that the inspector should take it away, because Margie was knowing of the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away for repairing for almost 1 month, and he was enjoying his time as he didn't have any teacher. It had been taken away because the history sector, the portion of the machine that taught the history subject, had been wiped out. So the mechanical teacher did not have any memory of it and had to be taken away for repairing. Now we know the reasons for Margie's dislike for school. So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school. Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes because he knew something that Margie was not aware of. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago the school was not the kind they had. Tommy wanted to stress on the time period. He was telling that this school was about 100 years ago, centuries ago. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior, and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. Now she was very curious to know about school. Therefore, she started looking over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said that perhaps they had a teacher. Tommy is referring to a machine teacher as a regular teacher because that is what they are used to. That is the teacher they had, a machine. He said that it wasn't the machine, it was a man, human being, who taught them. Margie could not believe that a man was a teacher because she had always seen a machine doing that. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, and then asked them different types of questions based on it, just like their mechanical teacher did. Margie said that a man teacher is not as smart as the machine teacher because she has not seen such type of teachers right now. Tommy asked Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is as knowledgeable as the machine. He compares the machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as his machine's teacher. Tommy could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as a mechanical teacher did. Margie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. Tommy found it very funny. He started laughing loudly when Margie said that she did not want a strange man to come to her house to teach her. He said that teachers didn't come to students' house to teach them. They had a special building. They had a special building that is called school, and the students went to the school to study. Margie was astonished and asked that did all the children learn the same thing? Tommy said that all the children of the same age study the same thing, madam. Margie refers to a machine teacher. Margie refers to the machine teachers. She says that her mother told her that the machine had to be tuned to the level of each boy or girl who was studying from it. So each child had to be taught separately depending on their level. Tommy replied that in the past they did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that she did not need read the book. You just go, don't read. Margie is interested in the school book, in that book. She wanted to know what kind of schools there in were the past, as she felt that they were fun. Margie had read just half of the book when her mother called her, as it was time for her to attend her virtual school. Margie's school was in the next room, next to the bedroom. She said to her mother that not yet. She did not want to go to school. Margie's mother said to Tommy that it was time for him too to go to school too. Margie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after school. वह चाहती थी कि स्कूल होने के बाद वो उस स्कूल को दोबारा पढ़ना चाहती थी. Tommy tried to ignore her and said that maybe she could read it. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. He placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home. Margie reached her school. It was a room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Margie, and he was waiting for her to begin teaching her. Margie studied all the days except Saturdays and Sundays. At the same time, from the mechanical teacher, Margie's mother was very particular. She had told Margie that she would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. Margie sat in front of the machine similar to a computer, and the machine was turned on. It said that the lesson of the day was in arithmetic and the topic was addition of proper fractions. Such a line was started flashing on the screen. Further, it also instructed her to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot for inserting the homework. Now Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like a machine. There is no fun in her classroom. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. जैसा कि आज हम लोगों की लाइफ हो गई है. हम घर में बैठे हुए हैं लॉकडाउन के कारण, न हम स्कूल जा पा रहे हैं, न दोस्तों के साथ खेल पा रहे हैं. So our life has become dull and boring. Margie is thinking of the school told by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this machine, she is reminded of that life. She was thinking about that life. When Margie comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed and shouted in the school. They got curious about it and wanted to go to school. The writer wants us to realize the importance of schools in our life. Children sometimes get bored and fed up of going to school. But if you don't have a school, you will not get to meet friends. Your life will be very dull and boring, just like now in lockdown. Margie feels that school is so much fun. School has so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework, and they can discuss it. They can take help and help one another and talk about it also. So all the students become friends and study in a fun way. She found it very strange that the teachers were not machines but they were human beings. As Maggie had inserted her homework, the machine started with the lesson. There was no pause, no time for fun, no time for chatting, and no time for interacting with friends. The author ends the story with the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. The fun the students had when they went to real schools. Maggie is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to school and enjoyed studies.